traveling for work, going on a vacation, and you are more worried about whether you will be able to eat well, right? So I will provide you with a few simple strategies for eating well even when you are busy or away from home. So being away from home doesn't mean that you have to make a poor food choices, right? You can use these strategies to make good food choices and eat well when you're traveling away from home. Okay, let us get started. I will share my mind map here. Okay, ways to eat well while on travel. Okay, let us look into set of points here. See, first thing is make a decision before you go on a journey. What are the decisions you have to make? First one is decide whether you are going to stick to your healthy eating habits or going to give a temporary break. Either choice is good as long as you are making a conscious choice. Okay, and think about something better instead of perfect, right? If you feel that certain foods you are not able, you won't be able to get outside while you are going outside, think about something alternative which is better. Okay, and this will help you to keep your mind calm as well, right? So that you won't be thinking about what will happen if you don't get this type of food and other things actually. Okay, and decide on minimums. So whatever happens, you can decide on certain minimums that you plan to eat on a daily basis. Okay, for example, see, apart from other food, ensure that you can decide on ensuring one servings of vegetables per day, or we can decide on even per meal, or whatever is your addition, and two workouts by a week, right? Ensure that this minimum happens during that journey. Okay, and fourth one is, see, no matter what happens on your food choices, if you're not able to get something, you can fall back to simple stuff like eating slowly and mindfully and not fully stuffed, right? Whatever you're getting outside, you can ensure that you take that food very slowly and don't stuff yourself. Okay, okay. So let us look into if you are on a travel for a very just a few hours, right? So what all the strategy you can use is before you leave, you can eat something so that you are not feeling hungry and reaching out for junk. Okay, I know actually this is all very obvious, but if you are able to think through and be mindful of this thing, then you will have a great travel and will get into your healthy habits as well. Okay, and carry a pack of snack. It could be nuts and seeds, or cut fresh fruits, or it could be raw veggies. You can pack it in a small box and take it, and plain yogurt or plain curd, boiled egg is all a simple thing, right? Which you can easily carry as well. Quality protein bar, which are minimally processed, salad box. It can be a combination of veggies and even some fruits. Minimally processed quality local snacks that you can carry, and milk flakes cereals as well, which is light, and you can carry that as well. Okay. See, what is let us see other things. If you are on a road trip, right, what all the strategy you can follow is same as the travel for few hours, right? You can follow all this thing, whatever are appropriate for your travel. Okay, and while you're on your travel, if you are ending up into a convenience store, this all the strategy you can follow, right? again, as I said earlier, aim for something better, not perfect. Actually, if you're not able to get certain food that you're looking at, aim for little better compared to that, right? Or a little less better, less perfect compared to that, okay? And eat more of these things, actually, in the sense, buy more of, eat more food products, okay? Like plain yogurt, you can purchase boiled eggs if you're able to get there, quality protein powder, unsweetened dried fruits. You can take whole grain breads, fresh fruits, fruit salads, mixed nuts, peanuts, pumpkin seed or sunflower seeds or chia seeds, flax seeds. Those can be carried. Minimally processed, quality local snacks. You can look out for these things in the convenience store and purchase and take it as during your journey. See, what are the eat less which you can purchase? No need to totally restrict, actually, but ensure that you eat less of these things during the road trip, right? Or during while you're purchasing at your convenience store during your journey. Highly processed snacks you can eat less. Chips, chocolate bars, pastries, sugar candy. This all can be minimized a bit while you are purchasing something in the store while on travel. Okay. And next one is if you're on a plane or train trip, this is all the strategy you can follow. Uh, Again, make most of the meal they are providing. I don't think you need to restrict to that. As long as your body is fine with those meals, okay? Choose, yeah, this is what I said, right? Choose that supports your body, okay? And carry allowed food based on the list above, right? That also you can do, so that you can eat minimally out of the meal offering that are being provided in train or flight, and you can eat whatever the stuff you are carrying as part of your journey, okay? Okay, this is another interesting thing, right? So while if you are on in a hotel, these are all the things you can follow. Consider booking a room with a kitchenette, right? If that you prefer, if you feel that okay, you can do some cooking while on travel, you can do this, and ensure that you locate a nearest grocery store so that you can get what of the good stuff you want to get. And it's by getting from your grocery store, you can fill out your mini bar as well. You can ask the hotel folks to empty the mini bar and fill with whatever the healthy snacks you are carrying or going to purchase from your from the nearest grocery store, okay? And if possible, if you are carrying a oat or oatmeal or millet flakes, you can make your meal at the hotel itself, actually. Even if he doesn't have a kitchen, you can use just use hot milk or hot water and make and prepare that simple meal, okay? See, if you are at a restaurant or conference, what you can do is, um, see, see, again, these meals can be definitely would be heavy at the restaurant, because most of the time it may be a highly processed or some food that they are ingredients that they are using which is not of helpful to you, or which doesn't help your body to accommodate, right? You can avoid those food and look out for some workarounds, actually, around that food, actually. Again, don't aim for perfection here as well, and pick the menu that is best for you, right? And you can end up in or taking a salad that obviously there won't be any problem with that. Cut fruits and whatever that suits for your body, okay. And this is what I said, right? So ask for more veggies or fruits that will help you to uh, keep up with your hunger, okay. See, again, these all the things I've listed, but it all depends on your body and your set of a lifestyle, your food choices. Based on that, you can make your own decision on this thing, right? So all simple strategy you can follow. If you have anything more, you can below the video you can put a comment, so that I also will know certain things which I can add as part of my next video as well, okay. Hope this video is of use to you. Until next time, cheers, God bless, bye bye.